So today we are making vegan cinnamon rolls. These are super fast and only take 30 minutes to make. They're special because the dough itself is fat-free. As always, the recipe is in my description or on my blog. You're going to start out with 2 cups of flour. I like to do 1 cup all-purpose and 1 cup whole wheat. Then you're going to add in 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder. Now add in 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then you're going to mix it up all together. Now you're going to slowly add in 1/4 cup of water, only putting in a drop at a time. Make sure to mix in between each drop. Eventually, it's going to be too hard to mix with your spoon or a fork, so just use your hands. Now you're going to pour in about a teaspoon of vanilla, mix that in, and then transfer to almond milk. Put as much almond milk until it starts to form a dough, around 1/2 cup. Now our filling is going to be composed of 1/2 cup of brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. On the lightly floured surface, you're going to knead out your dough. At first, it's going to be really hard and difficult to knead, but the more you work with it, the easier it will become to roll out. Roll out your dough until it is about 8 by 12 inches thick. Now you're going to spread 1 tablespoon of vegan butter all around your dough. I personally use the soy-free Earth Balance brand, but you can use whatever you'd like. This is the only fat that we are going to be having in our dough, so be conservative on how much you put. Next, you're going to sprinkle on your sugar-cinnamon mixture. Now, roll it up from one of the longer ends. It may stick a little to the surface, but that's okay, it will still move. Once you roll it up, you're going to cut it into about 12 pieces, and then place them in a pan. You're going to cook this at 350 degrees. If you would like, you can start to make a thin icing on the side. I took about a tablespoon of vegan butter and mashed it with a fork. I use the Earth Balance brand again, but you can use whatever you want. Now you're going to add in 1/4 cup of powdered sugar and mix that together. Once it forms a dough-like consistency, add in about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then you're going to add in almond milk to thin it out and make it into an icing consistency that you can drizzle on top of your cinnamon rolls. Once they come out of the oven, wait a little bit before pouring them on. I made the mistake and poured them on way too early, so the icing all melted, but the longer you wait, the more it's going to thicken on. And there you go, they're super sweet and taste delicious. They taste just like the homemade ones I made a couple weeks ago with yeast that took all morning. But these are so fast and so good. Plus, they're a healthier option because of the lower fat. Thanks for watching!